What is ad scheduling on Google Ads? Ad scheduling is basically a very good function through which you can schedule your ads to be only shown on specific hours and specific days of any particular day. So it's a very good function, and let me show you how you can see. If you just go to the account dashboard, here you won't be shown. There is a plus option. You have to just press the plus option, and then there's an option ad schedule. All you have to do is you have to go there. By default your ads are eligible to be shown at all the times, but we know that every time is not a peak time for us. For every industry and every niche, their timings are to be different. For some people, uh, ads campaigns work perfectly during peak hours, evening times, morning times. Weekdays are sometimes, for some people, clients I have seen, Mondays are very good days, and for some Mondays are very worst days. So for some weekends are very good, and for some weekends are very worse. So it varies from campaign to campaign, area to area, location to location. So you need to get some data, basic data, and after getting a basic data, you need to optimize on what can be the perfect time. So all you have to do is you have to select here, and it's basically based on the account time zone which is being set on my Google Ads account. So my ads account time zone for this account is GMT +2, which is Central European time. And what I have to do is you have to just select, if I have just to run ads, for instance, if I run Monday to Friday and I wanted to run my ads from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. I'm gonna add here. And then if I wanted to run my ad just for the Saturday or Sunday, or just for, let's say I just wanted to run for Sunday from 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. I'm going to just select from here, and I can just set it, and I will just save it. And through this I can run for specific hours. I can simultaneously run for Monday to Sundays as well as for Sundays. What I have to do is I have just, for instance, if I wanted to run for Sunday, it's from 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. and for Monday to Friday, I'm just going to select here Monday to Friday, and I'm going to select here from, it's an 8 p.m. to 6 p.m. My next video will be about bidding multipliers, so it's very easy. And I can, for instance, if I wanted to run on Saturday for from 4 p.m. to, but just make sure this is for GMT +2. It's from 4 p.m. till 6 p.m. and I can select it and I can run it through this. So you can see my ad schedule is for Monday to Friday, it's 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. and then for Saturday 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. and for Sunday 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. I can, it's my own wish on if I wanted to run for even multiple times of the day. For instance, if I wanted to run, for instance, another scenario, 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. In the morning, and then even on the Monday to Friday, I just wanted to run my ad again from 10 p.m. till 11 p.m. I can select this as well. So now I'm selecting two options for the same hour. So I just do not want my ads to be shown from 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. because that time doesn't convert well for me. So I'm going to select 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. and then 10 p.m. to 11:30 p.m. I'm just going to save it. And you can see my ads will be shown on 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. and then it will be shown 10 p.m. to 11:30 p.m. So it's a multiple options I have. So ad scheduling is very good. I can now see what hours on my, when I got more sales, which hours, which days, and this data can help me to figure out when the CPC was lower, when the CTR was high, and when sales were high, and I can get a lot of data through it. So I hope you like this video. I just tried to discuss about ad scheduling in it. I hope it's a good watch for everyone. Thank you.